AI-powered side hustles for 2025. Future-proof your income. The AI income tsunami is here, and if you're still relying on traditional side hustles, you're falling behind. In this video, I'll reveal the exact ways AI can help you build unstoppable, future-proof income streams, even if you're not a tech expert. Let's dive in. Section 1. The AI income tsunami. Explain why traditional side hustles like ride-sharing, surveys, or flipping products are becoming outdated in 2025. Highlight the unstoppable rise of AI and why adaptation is the only way forward. Make it clear, you don't need to be a coder. You need to know how to leverage tools. Section 2. Unlocking AI for immediate income. Prompt engineering as a service. Explain how people pay for perfectly crafted AI inputs. AI-powered content creation. Show how blogs, ad copy, video scripts, and social media can be done faster and better with AI. AI in e-commerce. Product descriptions, email marketing, and customer engagement, all automated for smarter selling. Section 3. Future-proofing your AI hustle. Niche specialization. Emphasize that broad AI skills won't cut it. Find a profitable niche and dominate. Continuous learning. Stay ahead of new AI releases, tools, and methods. Building an AI-assisted personal brand. Show how credibility attracts clients and opportunities. Section 4. Low effort, high return AI ventures, AI-driven market research and trend spotting. Identifying opportunities before others. Personalized AI tutoring and consulting. Teaching people how to use AI tools. Automated customer service solutions. Helping small businesses set up AI chatbots to save time and money. Section 5. Your next steps to AI prosperity. Give an actionable challenge. Pick one AI side hustle today and experiment. Share a resource guide. Suggest exploring AI tools, communities, and courses. End with a mindset shift. Success comes from adapting quickly, taking consistent action, and building resilience for long-term wealth. AI is changing the rules of money, and those who embrace it early will thrive. Which AI side hustle will you start in 2025? Drop your answer in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more future-proof income strategies. Your AI-powered journey begins now.